So how to add money on your Wise account. So to add money to your Wise account, if you open up the app to this page here, you should see right at the top a list of all the currencies that you've got attached to your account. So that could be things like US dollar, British pounds, euro, etc. So first things first, before anything, you want to ensure that you have the currency that you want to add money to. So if you can't see the currency you want to add money to, you can add the currency by clicking this new icon right here, and that will give you the opportunity to add additional currencies. But once you have got the currency of choice, so for the example of this video, we're saying British pounds, so you can see British pounds right here, so you want to go ahead and click on it. Then once you've clicked on your currency of choice, it should open you up to this page here, and nice and simple, you just want to select add. Then once you've selected add, you just need to input how much money you want to add to your Wise account. So for the example of this video, we're going to say £10. Then once you've inputted the amount you want to add, you'll then need to go ahead and clarify where you want that money to come from. So for the example of this video, normally it'll input a bank manually. So for example, here it's done Monzo. But if you want to go ahead and change that, if you click it, you'll then be given this option menu here. So you can go ahead and change it depending on perhaps maybe if you want it to come from another bank or you'd rather pay by card. You can also do other things as well, such as Apple Pay and credit card, but be aware there is usually a fee for them. So again, once you've selected your preferred option, you can go ahead and press continue. And then if you've chosen a bank, which in this case is Monzo, it will then open you up to your banking app, and you can then go ahead and approve the payment from there. Then once you've approved the payment from your bank, it will then pull you back to Wise, and if everything's gone well, it will give you this well done message right here. And then once you open up your Wise account properly again, you should now see your new balance in your Wise account, and it's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.